In today's video, we will go step by step in completing the California application for disabled person placard or plates. Please refer directly to the California DMV website for all questions on eligibility, required acceptable documents, and all other requirements. Also, read page 1 as directed at the top of page 2 guidance before completing and submitting this form to DMV. Now that we have the fundamentals out of the way, let's get started. On page 2, the qualifying applicant or legally appointed representative will complete sections 1 to 3 and sign their original wet signature in section 4. Section 5 through 6A is to be completed by an authorized and currently licensed medical provider listed in 6A. Completing section 1, you will write or type your name in the last, first, middle name format as shown. You will enter each numeric number of your birth date, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year as shown. Next, you will enter your current physical address in Ludding Street, Avenue, Road, Court, etc., followed by your apartment of unit number. Enter your driver's license/ID card number. Enter your current city where you reside, followed by your state, county, and zip code. If you have a separate mailing address, you would enter below as indicated. If the qualifying person is a minor child or a person who hasn't been issued a California driver's license or identification card, you would complete the form as being shown, entering only the applicant's birth date as a 2-digit year, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year, followed by writing the word none in the ID number field that will signal to the DMV technician processing the application that no California record on file. All applicants should include a contact phone number. This is important in case of error or a question arises after you have submitted your application. You can be quickly contacted and informed of the needed information. Completing section 2. The applicant must check all boxes that apply. If your medical provider has certified in section 6 that you're eligible for a permanent disabled person parking placard or license plates, you would check the box in section 2 for either just a placard or both permanent placard and disabled person plates. If the medical has certified in section 6 that you're eligible for a temporary disabled person parking placard, you would mark the second box from the above choices. Your medical provider may certify that you are eligible for a travel parking placard while you are temporarily visiting California. You would check the box to reassign a current disabled person plate from one car registered in the qualified person's name to another car registered in their name. Applicant would also check the box yes or no if they had previously been issued a California disabled person placard or plates. Mark yes when reassigning plates and write /type in that California plate/placard number that they desire to be reassigned. Section 3. The qualifying applicant desiring to apply for disabled plates for the first time, or those applicants desiring to reassign a disabled plate they already have in their possession. You would type in or write the current full plate number, the vehicle's full 17-digit vehicle identification number, along with the make and vehicle year. Section 4. In Section 4, the wet signature of the qualifying applicant or their authorized representative, along with the date, and their email is to be completed. This concludes this video for completing the applicant sections. Section 5-6A is solely for your medical provider to complete. All licensed medical providers are trained on how to complete this section.